Hey, it's Justin over at Waves and Wheels. We're working out of our new location, the Boardwalk at Waves and Wheels on the 26-mile marker. It's really awesome to be in our new place. Lots of room, got a great lake view. We got loaded down with projects this year. It's by far the busiest off season we've ever had. It's really no longer for us becoming an off season. So we've got some great projects from MTI skaters. We've got a Cougar here from Canada. Everything from audio, interior. We're doing custom dash, garment upgrades, interior paint, flooring. We've got some pretty amazing projects going on and a nice long lineup of them as well. Our team is efficiently executing them and getting them wrapped up in a hurry. So we're actually ahead of our deadlines on almost every boat, so that way we'll be able to fit more in before spring. So I'll send some pictures and keep everybody updated on these awesome projects we got going on. Give you guys a quick tour of the new facility from the outside. We've got the docks that we fixed up. We've got a nice service dock and customer dock on the other side. We're going to be bringing in more over the next couple years. Of course, the new shop behind us working out great. Plenty of room for our projects. We've got a 60 and a 50-foot door. Works out amazing for getting projects in and out. Our new upholstery shop and fab shops on this side, and of course down at the far end past the rack storage is our new showroom and offices and design center. Everything's going great. Feels good to be down here. Our team's working efficient, and the new location's just really helping out, and a lot more convenient for our customers, and a beautiful view at the end of the day.